Feeling tightness in your middle back, whether it is from long hours at your desk, poor posture, or injury. In this video, I will guide you through gentle and effective movement designed to improve your middle back flexibility, reduce stiffness between your shoulder blades, and restore mobility. For these stretches, I like to use yoga block. If you don't have yoga block, you can use a towel. Just fold it and make it thicker. Sit on the front edge of the chair. Place your elbows on the table. We start with a wider block width. Put it in between your elbows. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Round your upper back and let your chest sink down toward the floor. Gently squeeze the yoga block with your elbows. You should feel the stretch right through your middle back. Hold this position for 30 to 45 seconds and keep breathing. As you get more comfortable, you can progress by switching to a narrower block width. We also can add some dynamic movement as a progression. Keep the setup as before. Lift the yoga block off the table while keeping your upper back rounded the whole time. Do this 10 to 15 repetitions with slow and controlled motion. Lie down on the floor. Raise your arms up towards ceiling. Then gently push them up towards ceiling by lifting your shoulder blade off the ground. Then relax and lower down. You can do this 10 to 15 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets.